What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today we're going to be making a delicious taco recipe. We're going to be using Morningstar's new chorizo crumbles. It's going to be really delicious. They're already seasoned. It's a vegan meat alternative. So let's get right to work. Okay, so this is what we're using today for these tacos. I'm using this Valentina Mexican sauce. This sauce reminds me of the Taco Bell sauce, the hot sauce that they give out. It has a really nice taste. It doesn't have really any chemicals or bad ingredients. It's nice tasting. I love it on tacos. I got 6 hard tacos here. These are just the flat shell ones. I like these better because they're a lot easier to set up. I'm using a little tiny bit of olive oil to saute. I got about 1.5 cups of sliced and chopped white button mushrooms, about 1/2 cup of diced tomatoes. This is kind of like a pico de gallo that I made. It's got some avocado, it's got some fresh tomatoes, cilantro, lime juice, salt, and red onion. So this is kind of like what I'm going to use to top the tacos off. And this is Morningstar Farms chorizo crumbles. So it's supposed to be similar to chorizo. It's a vegan product, of course, and it says that it has new bold flavor. I'm not going to really add a lot of seasoning or anything like that. I'm only going to add the hot sauce and the aromatics just to see what the base flavor is like. So here I have about 3 tablespoons of diced red onion and about 3 cloves of minced garlic. So basically the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our aromatics working over in our pan on our stove. Alright, so now this is what this looks like. It looks a lot like chorizo. It's got the mushrooms in there, which made it bigger. So we incorporated some nice mushrooms in there to give more volume. Just because this seems like it's, you know, a little bit fatty. It's just like chorizo, which is fatty. So that helps to reduce the amount of fat. It's 8 grams of fat per serving out of the package. We probably doubled the size of it, so right now it's probably 4 grams per serving by adding the mushrooms and the other veggies and the tomatoes and all that. So now, basically going to take this and just place as much as I'm going to use for my taco, because we're not using any lettuce. We're going to use a decent amount, and then I'm going to add some of this beautiful colorful avocado pico. Alright guys, so there you have it. There is my Morningstar chorizo vegan crumbles tacos. I served them with some curly fries. These are kind of like the Checkers curly fries. They're seasoned, they're really delicious, and that's my cheat recipe for vegan chorizo tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig right in and give these beautiful looking tacos a taste. Wow. Amazing. My first thought, is that these taste just like chorizo. It's got all that flavor, like the paprika, the cumin. They're seasoned really well. Didn't really add anything to it. Amazing bite, really good tasting. The freshness of that pico in it makes it taste really fresh and good. Wow. The taco shell, not the greatest. They're not that crisp. Almost like if they were stale. I'm not a huge fan of this brand. This is Old El Paso. Sorry guys. You need better work on your taco shells. Other than that, everything is absolutely delicious. And I definitely recommend these new Morningstar chorizo crumbles.